what I told the President earlier in the UNTO assembly, of which he was the guest of honor. I told him that in 2022, a united Cebu supported a candidate who called for unity, because unity was the key for this country to finally heal and to finally move forward and become great again. Because of the overwhelming support of all political leaders of Cebu, that candidate garnered the highest number of votes in the entire Cebu Island at 1,500,000 votes, and went on to become the 17th President of the Philippines. I repeat, this day, in the presence of the wind beneath his wings, the totoong tao. I think you're really a Cebuana by heart. This united Cebu Island is now stronger than ever. This unity pervades and prevails throughout all of our towns, cities, even down to our barangays. And as we have shown and manifested, we know without any question, without any ifs, ands, or buts, we, a united Cebu, stand firmly behind the leadership of our President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. This is a statement and a commitment, as well as a challenge to my fellow governors. Now, more than ever, let our voices ring out in the entire Philippines. As leaders, as chief executives who understand the burdens that we must face, multiplied 1,000 times for the President himself. If we need to move forward, and we must move forward, we can only do this with a united country. And it is in the hands of the governors who will lead each province to rally all political leaders of your respective provinces for and in support of the man we chose to lead us, no other than President Bongbong Marcos. Challenge given is the challenge accepted. Can we hear that louder, please? Now, can we ask our governors to sign as well? Pens, paspas. We have the Governor of Aklan, Governor of Siquijor, Bohol, Eastern Samar. We have, please join us too, the Vice Governor of Bohol, Southern Leyte, Iloilo, Guimaras, and we have the Governor, as I saw him, of Negros, Occidental, Governor Lacson. Welcome. Pen, please. Run. Maybe they can first line up all here para while we are still trying to buy the pens. Namalit pati nga litog ballpen. Pagdali mo diha uy. Arita. Ah. Thank you. With the First Lady, may we ask the First Lady, please? John. Thank you. Namalit pa mong ballpen. While we are waiting for the pens, may we ask one of the governors, please, to speak for in behalf of the other governors? Who would like to speak? Isa lang. Ika.